Today we are doing try these given on page number 138. Question number 1. Classify the following polynomials as monomials, binomials and trinomials. We know that when there is only one term, then it is called monomial. When there are two terms, then it is called binomial. And when there are three terms, then it is called trinomial. Now we will do one by one all. Now here we have written first of all three parts minus z plus 5. Now in this question you can see that two terms are there, so this is binomial. Now in the B part you can see that three terms are there, x, y and z. So three terms, then it is trinomial. Now in the third one you can see that three terms, one is y, other is z and other is 100. Three terms, so it is also a trinomial. Now in this first D part you can see that there are two terms, one is AB, other is AC, so it is binomial. Now in this you can see that 17 there is only one term, so it is monomial. Now first question we have completed. Now we are on question number 2. Now this is question number 2. Construct three binomials with only x as a variable. थ्री बाइनोमियल्स मतलब टू टर्म्स के एल्जेब्रिक एक्सप्रेशंस बनाने जिसमें सिर्फ x वेरिएबल हो. B is three binomials with x and y as variable. थ्री बाइनोमियल्स बनाने हैं जिसमें x और y दोनों वेरिएबल्स हों. थ्री मोनोमियल्स बनाने हैं x और y वेरिएबल लेके. और लास्ट है टू पॉलिनोमियल्स बनाने हैं फोर और मोर टर्म्स के. सो वी विल ड्रॉ. We will do one by one all. Now let's see. Now in second A part you can see that we have to write three binomials with variable x only. So we can write binomial means two terms. So three examples can be written like this: x power 2 plus x. One is this. Other you can write x power 3 plus 2, and other you can write like this x minus 3. So in this way you can write. Here you can see all the three are binomials and with the variable x. Now this is second part. Here you can see that three binomials with x and y as variables. So first one we can write x plus y, other we can write x minus y, or third one we can write x square plus y square. So here you can see all the three have two terms with different variables x and y. Now this is second C part. Now here you are required to write three monomials with x and y. Monomial means only single term और variable दोनों आने चाहिए उसमें. सो फर्स्ट वन इज एक्स वाई. अब एक्स वाई क्या है, वेरिएबल तो दो हैं लेकिन टर्म एक ही है. इसके अलावा लिख सकते हैं एक्स स्क्वायर वाई और एक और लिख सकते हैं एक्स वाई स्क्वायर. सो दीज आर द थ्री टर्म्स. ऑल थ्री आर मोनोमियल्स क्योंकि सब में एक ही टर्म है और वेरिएबल्स दो हैं. Now this is second D part. Here we are required to write two polynomials with four or more terms. टू पॉलिनोमियल के एग्जाम्पल लिखने हैं जिसमें 4 टर्म हो या 4 से ज़्यादा टर्म हो। तो 4 टर्म का अगर हम लिखें तो x प्लस वाई प्लस जेड प्लस 4 लिख सकते हैं। और अगर ज़्यादा टर्म का लिखना है तो x वाई वाई स्क्वायर जेड 8 plus c. So in this way we can make, now this is completed.